Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make protein powder at home. First, gather your ingredients like oats, nuts, and seeds. You'll need a good blender to achieve a fine powder consistency. This method saves you money while providing a customizable protein source. We'll cover ingredient selection, preparation, and blending techniques to ensure a smooth, effective powder. Get ready to boost your nutrition without breaking the bank. For your base, rolled oats are excellent, providing complex carbohydrates and fiber. Next, select protein-rich components like almonds, peanuts, or even pumpkin seeds. These add healthy fats and a significant protein boost. Don't forget nutrient-dense additions such as flax seeds or chia seeds, which are packed with omega-3 fatty acids. Aim for a balanced mix to maximize nutritional value and flavor. To achieve a smooth, fine powder, blend your ingredients in small batches. This prevents your blender from overheating and ensures an even consistency. A high-speed blender works best to break down tougher ingredients like nuts and seeds, preventing any clumping. Once blended, store your protein powder in an airtight container in a cool, dry place. This keeps it fresh and ready for your next shake. Personalize your protein powder by adding flavors like cocoa powder, cinnamon, or a dash of vanilla extract. You can also adjust the protein content by varying the amounts of nuts and seeds you include. Experiment with different combinations to find your perfect blend. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your custom, budget-friendly protein powder.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.